My mom made the best macaroni salad and my grandmother made the best deviled eggs. This recipe is a mashup of the two. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and Cake Mix Recipes, where every recipe is tested in my real kitchen and only makes the cut when it's genuinely earned it. Today, we're making deviled egg macaroni salad, and it's absolutely worth keeping. I've got the full printable recipe linked in the description below so you can follow along. And stick around to the end because I've got my best tip for keeping this salad creamy and not watery even after it sits in the fridge. So to start our deviled egg macaroni salad, we're gonna start with the dressing. So what I've already done, just to kind of give you an update, is I've cooked and drained. Ooh, I have to drain my pasta. There we go. I've got cooked and now drained pasta back there. And I've hard-boiled 6 eggs. I've separated them, so here we're going to take just the yolks. So that's the yolks of 6 eggs. We're gonna get those in there. We're gonna start making our deviled egg mixture. And then to that, we are going to, I'm gonna take them, I'm gonna mash them up with my fork before I add the other ingredients, just to get them smushed, just a rough smush here. So to this, we are going to add mayonnaise. So I'm going to get that in there. We're also going to add some yellow mustard. So this is basically everything I would put into a deviled egg. Now we are going to season this up. So I have some paprika. Gives it beautiful color. I have some celery seed. This is a go-to. My mom always put this in her macaroni salad. It just adds that little something something. You don't quite know what it is, but if you're missing it, you'd know it. Celery seed in, and then I'm going to season this up with my all-purpose seasoning. If you guys don't have that, which you should, you can get the recipe in the description below, or you could just use salt, pepper, but this adds a little bit extra oomph to the recipe. Okay, so we're gonna take a whisk, we're gonna get this all mixed up. Looking good. So it's a little bit thick, and that's okay, because to this, we're going to add our cooked pasta. So over here I have about 8 ounces of cooked macaroni. In she goes. All that extra water. And then we're going to take our egg whites. So remember those hard-boiled eggs? I used the yolks. Now I have the whites that I just did a really rough chop on, not too fine, but we're going to add those egg whites right in there. And then for some color and crunch, I have celery. And last but not least, I have a small onion. The recipe calls for red onion. Guys, I didn't have a red onion. I had a white onion. This is what we got. This is what I'm using. It's okay. It will work. Trust me. All right, that is all, right? The basics of macaroni salad, the basics of deviled eggs, all married into one delicious salad. Now, you want to make sure you cook your pasta to al dente. You don't want it mushy, right? Because it's nice and porous, and when it's warm off the stove like this, it's going to absorb all of the flavor from the dressing, and it helps, the warm pasta helps thin out the dressing. It's like a lot of things going on here in this bowl to make it delicious. So we wanna make sure we're doing it right. All right, now I can feel the heat coming off of this from the pasta. So we need to pop this in the fridge, let it chill out. You know what, it's even better if you make it the day before and really let it sit for about a good 12 to 24 hours so those flavors truly do get a time to come together. So worth it. But we're gonna settle for just an hour and we're gonna pop it in the fridge. And then we're coming back for a taste. Just look at that color. I sprinkled some paprika on top. There's chunks of egg and celery and the creaminess. This is exactly what a summer side dish should look like. Now, before I dig in, here's what I want you to remember when you make this. Remember to cook your pasta to al dente. It keeps absorbing the dressing as it chills. If it starts too soft, it'll end up mushy. And don't skip the ice bath for the eggs. It stops the cooking and makes peeling so much easier. Now, I do recommend making this macaroni salad the day before if you can, because the flavors come together beautifully overnight. And all we need to do before you serve it, just give it a little stir, maybe add a little extra mayo if you think it needs to be a little more creamy, but that's it. All right, I'm going in because I totally cannot wait another minute. I love everything about this. So I'm just going to stuff my face. Oh. You know what I would add? Pickle relish. I think that would take this over the top. So don't be like me. Add some pickle relish to this. If you want it a little sweet, add some like sweet pickle relish, but if you want that little bite, add the dill pickle. I think I'm gonna add dill pickle relish to it. Yeah, you guys, this is so incredibly good. I love everything about this. Tastes like a deviled egg in a macaroni salad. It's perfect. And don't be like me. Save some slices of hard-boiled egg to put on top as garnish. But this deviled egg macaroni salad, definitely a keeper. The full printable recipe is linked in the description. I made it easy for you. And if you love this, you have to try my bacon ranch pasta salad. It's right here. I will see you there.